Hey, it's good to see you. Kei te pehea koe? Oh, it's the trumpets. Kua rite, are you ready? Let's go.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on Marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toy Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Tēnā koutou, ko Maia tōku ingoa.
Ko Jojo ahau.
Tēnā kōrua.
Hei Riki.
Kia ora, Riki.
Kei te pehea?
Kei te pai ahau, I'm good.
Kei te haere ko ahau, I'm feeling happy.
Kei te pēhea koe, Riki.
Kei te hikaka ahau.
Oh, you're excited.
Yep, because hanging out with my friends and whānau makes me so happy and excited. Titiro, we're all here together.
Tēnā koutou.
Come on, let's go.
Kia ora. Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? Some days you might feel so happy. It makes you wanna laugh and shout. Kani kani with your friends, move your body. And do the hokey pokey and wiggle it all about.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out. Hello, my friend. Don't worry if you're happy or sad again. Hello, my friend. Don't worry if you're happy or sad again.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out.
Ha ki roto,
Breathe in,
ha ki waho.
breathe out.
Ooh, very powerful. I see. Okay. And how does Kōwhai make you feel?
That's easy. Yellow makes me feel like the sun. It makes me feel happy.
And it makes me want to bounce around with joy.
Okay. And how about fiddle? How does that make you feel?
Ooh, red gives me big feelings. It makes me want to stomp around like this.
But it also makes me feel like love.
Oh, yeah. Red for aroha.
And how about this? How does this make you feel?
Oh, Maya, that is beautiful.
You were painting a pūrerehua? Oh, that makes me feel like...
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure in the Taiao. And today, we're going to do things a little bit differently. We're going to go get in touch with our taha hinengaro. Wake tātou. Check this out, cuzzies. Doesn't get much better than that. Come on. Check this out, cuzzies. What a beautiful place. Hey, sometimes my mind is going so fast, I'm thinking, what am I going to have in my lunchbox? Oh, I'll put it in my bag. Where's the giraffes? Where's my gumboots? But when it gets too fast and too jumbly, I come out here in Te Taiao and I connect with our whānau. One of the ways I like to do it is with my breath. Ko te hi, ko te ha. Hey, try it with me. Close your eyes. Breathe in, ko te hi, ko te ha. Ko te hi, ko te ha. Hey, did you hear that tui? I could hear the tui, I could hear the leaves, I could hear the wind, and I heard a awa. Let's go say hi to the awa. Hoa ke tātou. Check it out, my cuzzies. I found a beautiful awa. Hey, my sister tells me my mind's like a awa. Sometimes it's calm and smooth, and then it becomes rough and tumbly like a waterfall and has to navigate around boulders, and then it becomes calm and still again. What a beautiful place we live in, eh? Ka kite anō, whānau.
Can you hear the peaceful music? Close your eyes. Woo! Yeah! This music makes me feel hoppy and skippy. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh. This music makes me feel sad. Isn't it wonderful how music can change the way that you feel? Woo! I love music. I love music. Yay! Oh, soothing again. Thank goodness. I was getting tired.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Did you hear something?
Knock, knock.
I knew I heard something. Who's there?
Boo.
Boo. Boo-hoo.
Don't cry, it's just me. Get it? Boo-hoo. Hey, don't just stand there crying. It's dark at all time.
Yes.
Oh,
Whoa! You're fast.
don't tell me. You're tired.
I sure am. You're fast.
Got it the first time.
Huh?
Oh, it was a guessing game. I guess that you were feeling tired.
A guessing game? Ooh, okay. How do I feel now?
Oh, you're sick. You're smelly? Okay, yuck. You're disgusted?
Yes.
You're disgusted.
Your turn.
Yeah.
Oh no. What's the matter? Buzz.
I'm pretending. Oh.
Pretending? You're pretending to be sad.
Yes, you got it. I was being sad.
Okay. I know.
Okay. Oh, you're excited and you want to play again?
Yep.
Yes. Oh, you're scared? Oh, you're scared.
Oh, kei te pai koe, Buzz.
Oh, yeah. Catch bye. Let this game.
Hā ki roto, hā ki waho. Kei te pauri a hau, I'm feeling sad. Gonna go for a walk, get out of this bed. He mamai, I'm feeling hurt. Gonna read a book to make it work. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro. Taku manawa, my heart has a bruise. Gonna talk to my mate, I've got nothing to lose. My mind is foggy, so I'll go for a run. Get my way to a beck, so I can have some fun. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro. Hoi ora, tahine ngaro.
I win! I'll race you to the tree! Woohoo! Yee! I win again! Oh, what's the matter? Come on, this is fun!
No, it's not fun anymore.
Oh, why not?
Because you always win.
Oh, I see. I know! Let's play a hopping game!
Yeah, and then I'll definitely win that one.
Oh, how about we just do this one for fun?
Oh, yeah! Fine by me, Wolfie! Whee!
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 Nice one, Oma.
Kate the Pihak, where you ask how are you? It's a way to show how much you care. Share each other's toys, we never argue. Well, sometimes playing games with you until the sun goes to bed. 'Cause you're the best friend I could ever ask for. I'm with you till the end, I'm here to stay. I'm here when times are hard and when you're happy. Friends like us get stronger every day. Anytime you come over to my house, you just put a smile upon my face. Before you know it's time to go, but what a day. Ka kite ano, can't wait to see you again. 'Cause you're the best friend I could ever ask for. I'm with you till the end, I'm here to stay. I'm here when times are hard and when you're happy. Friends like us get stronger every day. 'Cause you're the best friend I could ever ask for. I'm with you till the end, I'm here to stay. I'm here when times are hard and when you're happy. Friends like us get stronger every day. Friends like us get stronger every day.
Our class has a calm corner. If we need some quiet time, we go to the calm corner. We grab a cushion and read a book. We might feel sad or angry or just need some time out. Sometimes a friend comes to help us feel better. How are you feeling? Angry. We have a calm box. It has lots of things to help us calm down. Sometimes you can pick a toy to play with. My favourite toy is the unicorn. Playing with my friend makes me feel much better.
How are you feeling now, Charlie? Is there anything on here that you need, Charlie? Do you think that the toy helped you feel better? Yeah? Do you think you're ready to come back and do some work now? Okay, come on, let's go.
I'm glad we've got the calm corner. I'm ready to join the class again. Bye!
Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho.
I'm feeling much better.
We felt lots of big emotions today, and sometimes it's nice to just sit outside and take some deep breaths, ne? Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho.
Wow, we're in my favorite sitting spot in the ngahere. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho.
Ooh, kei te taha moana tātou. We love the beach. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho. Mauri ora.
The sun is shining bright today. The sun, sometimes it hides away. The sun is shining bright today. Sunshine makes me feel so great. The sun is
is way up in the sky. The sun, it makes the plants grow high. The sun is way up in the sky. Sunshine makes me feel alright. Sunshine, sunshine, let's play in the sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine, let's all go outside. The sun turns night into the day. The sun chases clouds away. The sun turns night into the day. Don't forget sunblock and shade. Sunshine, sunshine, let's play in the sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine, let's all go outside. The sun is going back to bed. The sun will soon be back again. The sun is going back to bed. See you soon, my shining friend.
Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, Jojo. How can I help you?
I'm playing with sounds. This one makes me feel calm and relaxed. And this one makes me giggle. And this one, oh, it's not so scary after a while. Could you play me a sound that makes me feel silly? Good one, Mōhio. Ready today. Today is my day. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling smart. Let's do this.
Hey, Maya.
Oh,
What's in the box?
I'm not sure yet.
Oh.
Ooh, it's so soft.
Oh, is it a kitten?
Nope, no tail. I do feel a soft bow.
I know. It's slippers. Fluffy slippers for your feet.
I don't think so, Ricky.
Oh.
I feel... a little button nose.
Oh. Hang on a sec. That sounds like... Freddy Bear. Oh, but his friends call him Fred.
Pleased to meet you, Fred.
Fred gives the best cuddles when I'm sick or sad or scared or sleepy. Hey, Maya, do you know what time it is?
What time is it?
It's nap time. Come on, Fred.
Hi. Sometimes I need a quiet place. When I was angry, I go to my bedroom. I want to breathe in and breathe out to calm down. I put my hands on the knees. I breathe in the nose and I breathe out my mouth. is nice and quiet, then I will feel much better. But then I'll go back and play. Bye.
I love dancing. It makes me feel so happy. You know what's even more fun than dancing? Dancing with my friends. Haramai kite kani kani.
Tēnō pai te kanikani mo te wairua harikoa. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about different tikanga. In the quiet town of Kirikiriroa, Aria and her friend Moana decided to spend the afternoon learning about the tikanga that make their home special. Moana, do you take your shoes off when you come inside? Aria asked, kicking off her sneakers at the doorway. Moana nodded. Always. Let's keep the outside where it belongs. Aria grinned. Us too. And we always keep our hats off at the table when we eat. Is that a rule in your house? Moana laughed. Yes, my grandma says it is to show respect for the food and the people we share it with. We also have a special spot for our family gatherings, Aria said. It is a place where we come together and share stories. Moana's eyes lit up. That sounds like our marae. It's a space for us to connect and celebrate. Aria and Moana realized they had a lot of common practices that made their home special. Thanks for listening. The end.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi